So I first heard about it from my guidance counselor. She knew I was in automotive technology, and she thought, hey, like this guy likes getting his hands dirty, he likes working with his hands, and she signed me up for it right away.
First, it's hard. It's very nerve-wracking because it's something big stepping up to it when it's new. But over time, you learn, and I think I've gotten a lot better since the first I started. I've always loved welding. My dad did it, so I've joined it, and I've been loving it.
So first day, he just started he taught us all the safety stuff, and he gave us like a basic introduction to welding. So how to turn on the machine, all the safety protocols, and stuff like how to turn on the fans and all that. And then we just got right into it.
We are learning right now how to arc weld, and then we're going to move into TIG and MIG.
Even just working in a shop environment surrounded by people with all the noises and stuff, you get a sense of the trades and how the trades work and stuff. So even if you're not necessarily going into welding, you still get that feeling like this will help me in the future.
Women's in trades isn't something every girl is into, but I know some are out there looking for it, and they should take that step if they want to. Like, it's a good thing, and it's something you learn.
No one's gonna make fun of you if you have a bad day or anything. Everyone's just here to help each other out. There's not a single kid in this class that does not love it. Everyone in here is passionate about this. Everyone loves to weld.
Welding's the best, I think. I love it here. It's probably one of my favorite classes. Just being in the moment and in the zone is it's nice.